Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Numan, and today we'll see a panel of matrix treadmill. And the problem we are facing that no touch is operating. So, what we are going to do? We are here with the new touch, and we are going to change it. So, let's see what happens. Well, we are removing this touch, and when you are going to remove it, it has a small double tape here. So while pulling off the old panel, you should be very careful because it is made of glass and you are using the knife cutters and like that. So your attention level should be 200%, otherwise you are going to hurt your hands. So right now we are just removing it. So here we have removed this from this point, and now we are going to disassemble the final side of this touch. इधर 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 से करें. So you can see that it is a tough job to bring out the हल्के. So here we are about to remove the faulty panel. So clean it up. So this is the panel that was faulty. You can see it. Now what we will do, we will remove this double tape and we will install our double tape and just put back the panel.
Power on, guys.
Power on. So now what we are doing, we are just powering up the system. This is a matrix motor, this is a matrix card, this is a matrix inverter, and now we have this touch as well. जी लाइट बंद कर दी यार, ये इसका भी लाइट बंद कर रहे हैं. So this is about to start and we have to check the things. Normally matrix take and matrix life fitness, these treadmill having touch, they are on embedded, so they take some time to start. So it started and our incline is going back to its initial position. It's checking out. Now we have just installed this. Now what we are going to do, we are just putting the press. We'll check that all the things are okay or not. This is doing because we haven't done its calibration right now. So what we are going to do, we are going to do its calibration first. So guys, right now we have connected our matrix console. We are going into the calibration because some of the areas of our touch are not working. So what will we do? We will go into the menu. So here we have a menu. So what we will do, we will go to the calibration calibration operates. Here we will press the calibrate. No, again back to the calibration. Calibration. You see, some of the areas are not working. Again we will go to calibration and back. So when we press the calibration, it is going to find its minimum position. Now it is going to find its maximum position. So after calibrating all the things, we will going to start. This is a guest mode. So it is going to start. We will going to press go. Now you can see our motor is moving. Increasing the speed, you can see it's increasing. We are giving a incline up, incline is moving, giving incline down, incline is moving. So this is all we have from our today work. Alhamdulillah, our touch is working. So if you found any issue in your machines, in your touch panels, you can order it from us. And if you have an issue, you can surely give me a call back.